So it has a super funny idle. It's very bad. And the car turned right off. So that cold pack is bad. Look at this one. Yeah, this one looks a lot more beat up. Welcome everybody back to Boost in Motion, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Thank you. All right, so can't get the thing fixed, so we're gonna have to try it on the lift. I have not had this car, any of my cars, on a lift because I couldn't fix it. All my Infinitis, Nissans, I always fix unless it was an axle issue that happened with the Maxima. But everything else I ended up fixing on my own, unless it was an accident. Alright, so he raised the flatbed up. So if I take a look, the flatbed is not even on the ground right now. I guess because he doesn't want to scrape up the front lip, but I get it. I understand. He's trying to take pictures as it goes to cover his ass. I get it. Alright guys, so yeah, it's my first time ever seeing one of my cars towed because I couldn't fix it. Like the other times they were towed because it either was a car accident or axle issues from my Maxima days. But usually I always get it fixed. Honestly, the best way for me to figure this out is to buy a couple of spark plugs and maybe a coil pack. I really think it's the coil pack for the driver's side 1 and 2, but I don't have an ohm meter. Usually only you can check the resistance of it. And I know I didn't check with the local AutoZone. I doubt AutoZone have the spark plugs, but I know it will take a couple days for me to get some of these parts in, and that's going to take up time. And we're coming up on a weekend, holiday weekend. I'm super busy, so I'd rather just send it to All Our World Works because, you know, at the end of the day they have all the stuff to go through every single sensor and just pinpoint where the exact problem is. But also, I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't have another car. So if I had another car, I know that I can just, if a place had the spark plugs, and I could just drive and go pick it up. If I know an auto lot or auto salvage lot might have the coil packs, I can just go and pick it up, you know. But I just don't have another car right now, so this is the only car I got, and I'm not gonna spend a bunch of Ubers, or even my friends' cars are down right now. Like, we all don't have any cars, so it is unfortunate, but you know what? I'll just send to All Out Motorworks. That's a shop that I trust, that I know will take care of me, make sure that everything's done good, and then yeah, I know it'll get fixed. It is what it is, but anyways, see you in the next part. Welcome everybody back to Boost in Motion, guys, and today, yeah, it's a continuation. I am at All Out Motorworks, and we are picking up the C63. So there's some other Mercedes over here, and I want to take a look at their quality too. See, look, this one's not open, but from what's told to me, this guy has 2-3 other Mercedes that was here. Remember that GLC? And they rent these cars out, but I guess the guy keeps getting into accidents when he rents the car out. But whoever he's renting her out, they're destroying and curbing these wheels. Look what happens when people don't take care of things. This car is messed up, right? Messed up. But I want to take a look at the C63 versus the C43, because some of y'all have a C43, and I want to take a look and see what the difference really is in the interior. Let's take a look and let's see. This looks like a newer year. All right. Well, it definitely smells like weed in here. Carbon center. I like that the newer ones doesn't have the thing that lift up. It just has the touchpad like this. Maybe I could, from what I remember looking into, you can actually swap this center piece out, just this part out, with the newer ones. So I'm gonna look and see if I can do that. Also, I know that the center screen is a lot wider. See, it goes to like 12. Also, this is a 2019 and up, because I remember the 2019s have this steering wheel. So this is a 2019 and up. And the interior looks really nice. Once again, it's a newer year, so I know some of the features are going to be a little bit more up to date, but it still looks very similar to mine. It's not really that much more different to it. Same sunroof, super dope, nice and big. Looking around, very similar BBK. And they got the V6 motor. Wow, this tire has a lot of... They blew these tires out, man. Is that a titty or a nipple? That's just hurting over there. I don't know. C43 life. Once again, man, these cars are all the same. They just put a bigger motor in the more higher class one. But yeah, they really messed this side up. Ouch. And look like there's oil coming from under. Hopefully it's not coming from this car, but yeah, they messed up the whole suspension over here. The suspension is way off and messed up. Oof. Alright, well, I'll stick with my C63. This car looks super dope though. I'm looking to that little center thing, because I hate the little U thing that I have on mine. Alright guys, so they had the car for about a day, and they ended up calling me. And they ended up saying, we found the issue. And I guess I was right and wrong, but I just didn't have enough patience. But they ended up changing the coil pack for the same side we was messing with. Just move this over. So they ended up changing the coil pack for cylinder 1 and 2. And they ended up changing all 4 spark plugs from front to back. They tested it, this coil pack was bad. And remember how I showed you guys pictures of the spark plugs? The spark plugs were pretty much dry. These ones were good. And the ones in the back were black and orange. So they said that some of those spark plugs was misfiring. So they just changed those and the coil pack, and boom, everything was fixed. Period. Now, that was super random, but for the M177, it seems like it's something that does happen in this platform. Period. Didn't know it, but it is what it is, and the car is up and running perfectly fine now. I thought it was going to be an injector issue, which I was way more scared about, but it wasn't that at all. Pretty much not at all. So the C63 is back up and running, and yeah, I'm freaking excited. All right guys, so to finish off this video, just want to let you guys know what I did do. If anybody's been in the car community forever, and I'm very big on this, I like to always prepare myself for the next time there's ever an issue. And knowing that the M177 does have a sporadic coil pack issue, could be just because of high mileage, randomly. And the quality of the spark plugs were just 5,000 to 6,000 miles on it. 5,000 to 6,000 miles on it. I said, you know what? Let me pick up another set of spark plugs. I picked up 2 spark plugs. And I picked up a used coil pack with super low mileage on it. Tested on the car already. Works. And I only spent 70 bucks. Yeah, used. Coil pack with 2 spark plugs. Just going to keep this in storage with my regular tools just in case this problem ever comes up. Because when you run higher boost and you run ethanol blends, things happen. And I wasn't running on E or anything like that, but knowing that this happened once, I just want to prepare myself for the next time around. So outside of that, guys, the C63 is fixed. So you already know what to do, guys. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you don't like the video because you don't like Mercedes, I understand, but comment below. Don't dislike it, just, you know. You can dislike it too. That helps me out. But still, give us support to the channel. So outside that, guys, you already know what to do. Hit me up at boostinmotion.ig, Facebook, boostinmotion@gmail.com. Otherwise than that, guys, you have a good day. I appreciate you. Thank you, everybody, for watching. Do appreciate you guys. Love you guys very much. You can also check out the 2 links I posted for some of my other videos. Also, on top of that, if you want to purchase some Boost in Motion merch, definitely check the link that I posted also. And finally, if you've been watching all my videos and you enjoy them, please hit the link to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Thank you.